Here, so today's my last day in Tirana. I've already packed my bags. As you can see right here, everything is all ready to go. And I'm heading to Vlora. I'll be in Vlora for about 2-3 weeks. I just need a change of scenery. I need something different. I need to be in another place. I'm in that moment right now where I just need to change something. Not because I don't like Tirana. I absolutely love Tirana. I mean, the last 4 weeks have been the best 4 weeks I've spent in a long time. I mean, I've had some good spells too, but I'm just saying that I need something differently, and I will be going to Vlora. I know this is not the ideal time to go there because it's a beach city, and because of the fact that it's cold right now, I may not be able to enjoy it fully the way I really want to, but who cares? I'm just gonna go. I will, try to enjoy it as much as I can, and we'll see what comes out of it. So I have all my things packed. I'm heading to the bus station right now, and I will talk to you when I find the bus. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna find it, but I'll find it and I will let you know when I do. So let's go to Vlora, guys. Let's do it. So I have to take a bus to the bus going to Vlora. So I'm now walking through the Skanderbeg Square, which is about 11 minutes from my Airbnb apartment. And I must say that journey isn't fun, but I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. Alright guys, so I'm in the bus right now. This is not the bus that goes to Vlora, but this is the bus that takes you to the bus station that takes you to Vlora. So it's a wide bus just behind the Skanderbeg Park. I mean, it's kind of the square. And once you come here, it's a wide bus. I think it's numbered 71. It could be different, but the one I took today is numbered 71. And you just have to get on the bus, and you can ask the gentleman on the bus if it's the same bus that takes you to the park. And I asked them, and they said it was the one. So I'm on the bus right now, and I will be on my way to the Vlora bus station. So let's see how that goes. I am not a fan of public transportation, but I always like to push myself outside of my comfort zone every once in a while just to see how it works. And yeah, it's been fun so far, but not fun with this huge bag that I have right here. So that's another tip. Make sure you pack light if you're traveling. So I'll leave you with that. Alright, so I am now at the bus station. It was pretty straightforward. Once you get on the white bus from the Skanderbeg Square, you drive about 15 to 20 minutes to get to the bus station, and you can't miss it. It's on the right hand side of the road, depending on what side of the road the bus takes. But it's on the right hand side. You cannot miss it. It's a giant bus station with tons of buses and people, calling out to you. It's like a one-stop shop for any part of the country that you're trying to get to. So if you're going anywhere, just take a 40-cent bus or 40-lek bus from the Skanderbeg Square to the bus station. Then you can get your bus to any part of the country that you're trying to get to. So that was pretty straightforward. I hope this has been helpful. Now let us get on our way to Vlora.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow.
Hey, what's going on, good people of YouTube? So it's officially my first day here in Vlora, and I wanted to go out and film some things, but the weather's been pretty bad, and it's gonna stay this way at least for the rest of the week. So I'm just gonna walk around and just see if I can, show you some cool things. As you can see, I have the sea just to my left, and honestly, it's so beautiful here because it's almost like being in Palm Beach, Florida. Like, I've never been there, but I've seen it on TV. But it's so beautiful here, and I was very pleasantly surprised because the palm trees, the wide roads and the paved roads, and you can just walk around without feeling any kind of discomfort, and the sound of the waves crashing, that's one of the things that I really love about this place as well. And my apartment is just facing the ocean. I'll show you guys when I get back, but I just wanted to pull out my GoPro, just walk around, show you a few things. You know what, let me just turn my camera around and just show you exactly what I'm seeing here, because I will be doing a huge disservice if I don't do that. You probably don't want to see my face anyway, but yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Look at the high-rise buildings to the left, to the right, and it's just a really cool place. Look at the buildings right there. I'm just gonna pan around and probably show you a few things. Look at the palm trees just swaying left and right, you know, to the sound of the wind. And there's a yacht right there. There's a yacht just in the distance. I'm not sure if you can see it. I mean, not a yacht, a cruise ship rather, on the sea right there. But I'll be walking around. I'll be on the boardwalk probably later on today if the weather clears up, and I'll just bring you guys around. I just wanted to, you know, make this cool, really short, fast video as I, you know, just walk around. Anyways, I will shut this down right now, walk a little bit faster, and I'll see you pretty soon. What's going on, guys? So I'm at this restaurant right now. It's called Patio. It's just across the main street here in Vlora, and the menu screams Italian to me, and I had a really hard time figuring out what I wanted to eat, but I finally got something and it's been prepared right now. So this is my first meal of the day, and I'm just gonna have this meal, then take you across the street and show you a couple more things, you know, things to do. So if you're ever in Vlora, check this place out. It's called Patio. They didn't pay me to say this, but I just love the vibe here. The ambience is really cool, and yeah, I'm having a good time here. And if you're ever in Vlora, make sure you visit it. All right, so my food just got here, and I must say that I am quite impressed with the way it turned out. First of all, I ordered some shrimp. My main course is still coming up. This is probably the best presentation I've seen in such a long time. Let me show you. Unfortunately, the weather got worse from here on, so I had to go back to my Airbnb to keep working on some things I had on my agenda. So in my next video, I will take you downtown and show you the things I had already planned to show you guys. I hope you still like it. Alright, let me quickly show you what my apartment here looks like in Vlora. It's a studio with a bathroom. It's got the washing machine right here. And if you turn around, you're gonna come into this studio space right here. And there's two couches right here that turns into a bed. I sleep on that one. I can't sleep on this one, even though it's more comfortable because of the fridge. It, you know, just starts making noise at night. This is the table where I work from. It's got a kitchen area right here. It's got the countertop, the shelves and whatnot. It's got a TV, never turn it on. It's got an AC and an heater, some art walls on the wall, and yeah, it's got a couch as well. That's where I shoot my videos from. And that is the balcony. That is the balcony. Lets a lot of natural light in. That's one of the reasons why I love it so much. And let's go outside. Let me show you what it looks like outside. All right, so when you step outside, you can see it's a huge apartment complex, and here in the distance you can see the mountains, and you can hear the ocean crashing, the ocean waves crashing in the background. The ocean is just like less than 50 meters away. As soon as I step outside, I just walk that way and I go straight to the ocean front. And yeah, the open space right here, I love it. Lets a lot of natural light, fresh air, and everything just looks good. So this is what my apartment looks like in Vlora. I think I love it. But and once we get back in, this is what you see. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Because of the weather, I have not really filmed anything outside of the, you know, the area that I'm in. As soon as the weather lets up a little bit, as soon as it gets better, I'm gonna take a walk downtown, go to the areas where it's happening in Vlora, film some videos there. And I have a couple of ideas that I hope to implement in the coming days as well. So stay tuned to this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that right now. Hit the subscribe and hit the like button. Let me know where you are in the world and what you're doing. I would love to connect with you. Anyways, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next one.